using freezer, if you find that it is not cooling, please check it according to the following steps. Cause summary. If the chest freezer not cooling, the reason may be 1. The temperature set is not suitable. 2. No power. 3. Food not placed properly. 4. The freezer not placed properly. Solution. If freezer not working and there's no sound, please check by reference to no working video. If the refrigerator is working but no cooling, please do the following steps to check. For first use freezer, it should be powered on for 2 hours. Then the food can be put into the freezer. If powered off suddenly during working, the temperature in refrigerator will rise. Please check whether the temperature set is too low. It is recommended to set the temperature at a middle position, or adjust it according to the user manual. If the temperature setting is normal, please check whether you have put too much food in the refrigerator or the interval time between takeout of food and put into food is too short. For example, putting too much fresh meat in the freezer room at one time. It is normal that the temperature will drop slowly. Please check it after 24 hours. Check if liquid and ice cream is mixed. With high temperature, the liquid will quickly absorb the cold air, which will melt ice cream, so they must be placed separately. Check whether the food placed in upper pot is soft when the freezer is running. 1. The food in the freezer shouldn't exceed the max line or the top of the food drawer. 2. Do not use the freezer in the direct sunlight. 3. For the double-door freezer, the foamed door can't be removed. 4. Whether the door is open frequently. If following issues occurred, please call Higher Service Center at once. 1. The power is normal, but the product is not working for more than 1 hour, which means you can't hear working sound and both sides or backside are not warm. 2. The freezer is working, but the food in the freezer is unfreezing.